Now, this is our next geometry figure. Our target here is to find the value of angle X. Okay, is it letter A, 62 degrees, B, 112 degrees, letter C, 31 degrees, and letter D, 84 degrees. Okay, now this is the representation of our figure. Now, our target here is to find the value of angle X. Now, as we can see, we have two isosceles triangles here. Okay, ito yung isa natin. Meron tayong one isosceles having the measures 56 degrees, y degree, and y degree. Bakit equivalent? Kasi kapag isosceles triangle, ang two bases angle is equal or the same measure. Okay, now, nag-assume tayo ng ating base angle ay y. So, meaning to say, our first solution is to get the value of y. Okay, this is our solution. Our first solution to get the value of y, we have y plus 56 equals 180 because this is isosceles triangle. Then, simplify it. Y plus y is 2y. Then equals 180 degrees minus 56 degrees. Why minus? Because you transpose it the constant positive 56. Then in left side, we have the remaining 2y equals 124. Then 2y equals 124. Therefore, divide both sides by 2. The value of y here is 62. Next, how about the second solution? Okay, now this is our second solution. Since we have the value of y, which is 62 degrees, the definition of linear pair, the sum is 180. Therefore, we're going to subtract 62 from 180. Okay, this is our second solution. Let's assume that the unknown angle is angle P. Angle P equals 180 minus y. P equals 180 minus 62. Therefore, the value of P is 118. Okay, now, since our target here is to find the value of angle X, now we can get now the value of angle X. How? This is our third solution. This is our solution number 3 to find the value of angle X. X plus 118 equals 180. Then 2x in left equals 180 minus 118. 2x equals 62. Divide both sides by 2. The value of x here is 31. Therefore, the value of angle X here is 31 degrees. And it is letter C. The correct answer is letter C, 31 degrees.